you very much.
Okay, just walk out. Come. You're already northeast over the wall and tanks. Actually, just come northeast. Going off a little bit.
They're walking northeast.
Careful double blinking on our first engage.
Hold.
We have a lot of space.
I can pull tanks shallow. I'm not. I
Using
can't
W's
pull
on
panda.
this beat. Come east. Get already east on these tanks here. Step up. East on one hurricane. 5, 4, 3, 2, on the one hurricane east. Come back west. Come to choke. Peel the east. Come to choke. Come up. Come southwest. Come southwest.
Good GA, good
Enemies are calling that marking the sword. Come
Five
southwest.
He's far. They're far. His
Wait.
DPS is far.
Come south. Come south. Straight south. Look northeast. 5, 4, 3, 1 northeast now. Nice. Come southwest. Get into the castle. Hold here in
They're
cycle.
pulling a little bit east.
Other
Okay.
road. Come north.
10 seconds on Bass.
Make sure you keep the
Yeah,
jacket.
I'm
Come north.
I don't have CD. No CD.
Gary northeast over the wall.
Got 3 seconds.
Wait, northeast
I'm ready,
over the
I'm
wall.
ready.
5, 4, 3, 1 over the wall. Beautiful offense. Nice. Come south.
Nice.
Panda's far. They're not.
Hold
Hold
jacket
here.
We have a jacket here.
Leave them. Come step east.
They're walking east.
Come east.
They could be moaning or baiting. I don't know.
They're running now.
I mean, yeah, if we...
They're booting out.
Just come east. Gary to kite south. Straight south.
They might
Come south
fight
a little
again.
bit. Come southeast. They're not done probably. They just want to play. Come south.
Yeah.
Come south. Chop. Look straight east. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Straight east now. Come south.
They're walking northeast. Panda's walking northeast.
Okay. Hold. Get to the river east. Come east. Get to the
Big
river
G.
east.
Walk and check it.
So scared. Come northeast. Come north. Give me an offensive jade to hold. Come north.
I can pull a tank. Tell me when you're ready.
Hold. Just walk for now.
Careful, all dismounts.
I know. Just step up. Get to east on the wall. Hold here. East on the wall. 5, 4, 3, 1. East on the wall. Nice. Come south.
GG, Panda.
They're gonna walk now. Keep walking.
Nice, better on.
Keep walking southeast. Come southeast. Feel the west. Come southeast.
Good job, guys.
We're hugging the water. Come southeast.
5 seconds.
Wait.
4 seconds.
Get east straight north. Wait, straight north. 5, 4, 3, 1. Straight north now. Nice head. Come south.
You kill the shitter. You kill the shitter. You
Come
kill no one.
southeast. My front line, keep walking. My front
We
line.
have space right now?
Come south. Come south. Wait.
They're walking north side.
Hold here.
They're walking
Come northwest.
Ready,
Ram up.
GA tank if you can. Look on GA. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On GA now. Nice. Cycle on the spot.
They're just holding on, I'm pretty sure.
Walking.
They're walking north a bit. They're walking
come
north.
Don't let them leave.
Come north.
5 seconds on
I'm
round.
up in 5.
Give me another GA when you can. Just keep
Wait.
going north.
One hit him.
Got two.
Wait, bro.
They're moaning.
Okay, just catch whatever
He's
you
trying to get
can.
one more.
Catch whatever you can.
We have 2 tanks here. Don't let them get away. Oh my god. Okay. Ping? Anyone? Northwest? Really fucking good peels. They were not able to get inside of us. Purity's
I just needed-
were super good.
I just needed those peels on the first engage when I dived.
It's outlaw. Is he okay?
I clicked out and they kind of just floated in from both sides.
You know what's crazy? I tried to GA their damage for you on that, and I think I probably would have saved you with a cleanse instead of going for a peel GA.
Look at him. Pocket didn't pop, bro. That was 10 pots. It's not you guys' fault.
I mean, yeah. Well, if you have what of that?
I
Careful on that kid. Wait.
I got the bloodletter. I'm dismounted. It's okay. What is this? Why does he have his poison pot?
Dude,
stacked
the
like
old
that?
school potion
Crazy.
swap.
Get him north, Baka.
Get him.
Let's go.